Say it's not a bird, it's not a plane, but it is a topic of conversation and concern.
What the heck is going on?
Increasingly, more reports of drone sightings over the East Coast.
There's the drone. He's been there for about 15 minutes now. There's stuff spraying out of them.
The recent New Jersey drone sightings have much of the country worried and alarmed, as perhaps we should be. Maria Simma, the well-known Austrian mystic, especially with the Souls in Purgatory, in the book Get Us Out of Here, has an incredibly relevant answer for us. If you'd like to support this channel in any way, please do so through Buy Me a Coffee. Listen to what she has to say. There is so much talk about and media attention given these days to UFOs. Do people confuse angels with UFOs or vice versa? She says, "No, I don't think so. Let me put it this way. Just recently, a friend of mine asked me to ask a poor soul if there was intelligent life on other planets. The answer came a few weeks later. The poor soul said no. So there is no intelligent life on other planets. But this does not mean that all those sightings and stories of abductions are not true. So many people would not wish to lie about this, but it does mean something else. If there is no other intelligent life elsewhere in our universe, and here I'd like to add that anyone with a deeper knowledge and faith in the Holy Bible would conclude the same, then all those sightings are Satan's work. Satan wants us to be very curious, and what better way is there than to lead us astray running after little green creatures out into the voids of space? Curiosity has killed far more than merely the cat. And all those films and television shows about civilizations out there can easily lead the young into danger. All of this is a distraction, either demonic or from the government, or both. We should instead keep our eyes focused on Christ, especially during Advent and Christmas. And as she says, not run after these other things that are just a waste of time, intended to cause fear so that we can be controlled. As Jesus says, do not be afraid. Keep your eyes on Him and focus on doing God's holy will in your life every day. I will see you in the next one.